If you never found ASFX, would you still be trading Forex today?
That's a tough question.
Good question, huh?
That's a good question.
No.
No, I'd be screwed.
I would not be trading today.
Maybe. I'm not sure. I think I would. I probably wouldn't be as advanced as I feel I am now at such a short period of time. I feel like I advanced really quickly through ASFX, so it helped with that. I don't think I would have quit, but he definitely cuts a lot of the learning curve out, to say the least.
I don't know. How I can answer that question, because I think part of the reason why I'm trading the Forex is because of ASFX.
Of course I would. I'm not sure if I would still have as much of a grasp and less frustration, but yeah, I would definitely still be trading. It's a very good skill set to leverage, and it's fun. For me, at least it's fun.
Knowing myself, yeah, but I would probably still be taking losses.
I probably will, but maybe I'll be losing the wrong way in the market. I'll be making a lot of mistakes probably.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know where I would be. I don't know. I was with another company, but that didn't work. And then I was trying to do my own thing, and that didn't work either. So honestly, I have no clue. And I don't know who's like Austin out there. You know, I'm always looking for other guys, like what they do. And honestly, I don't know who else is out there that does the work that Austin does and who cares. So, yeah, I don't know where I'd be.